Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dev Diaries. Today I'm going to show you a small Apex feature that most Salesforce developers use, but very few know it actually exists. Put every single day, but I bet you don't know what it actually returns. Try to guess before I show you with an example. So I'm going to create a simple map example where the key is name and value is a score. So let me do the declaration here. Map string integers. Then I'll name it as map example, new map. So I'm adding Vinod as key and give the score 95 here. Let me assign it to some variable as well and name it as node value. To see the value, we just need to put it inside the system.debug statement. Right? So the quick question before I run this, what do you think old value is going to be? Null, 0, the same 95 we just inserted. Pause the video and take a guess. I'll wait. Alright, let's run it and find out. So it's null. Alright. A lot of people expect it to return the value you just inserted, which is 95. But it doesn't. Why? Because put method doesn't return what you just added. It returns what was there before. And since Vinod didn't exist in the map before, there was nothing to return. So it just returned null. Okay, now that you know the rule, what do you think? What happens if I update Vinod's score to 98? What will this return now? Think about it for a second. Till then, I'm just modifying this script. I'll just remove this line and update the score for Vinod. Map example dot put. I'll use the same key and give it the score as 98. Right. Again, I will assign it to some variable. This time I'm just giving it name new value. And to see the value, we just need to put it inside the system.debug statement. Okay, so this is ready to execute. Let me execute it. There it is, 95, because that was the value sitting there before we overwrote it with 98. So map.put isn't just inserting, it's quietly handing you back the old value every single time. Here's why that actually matters. Let's say you are updating scores in a loop and you want to change which ones actually change. So we can see this in with an example as well. So let me update this script again. So I'll just add a if statement where I'll check new value not equal to null. And inside this, I'll just write a system.debug statement. Score change from let me execute it. So you see the score changed from 95 to 98. Now I don't need to a separate contains key or get method call before my update. Map.put gives me the old value and updates it in a single line. Alright, quick challenge for you now. What do you think map.remove returns? Same logic or something different? Drop your guess in the comments. I'll make a video revealing the answer if enough of you get it wrong. So till then, thank you for watching this video.